AI is everywhere. In your phone, your car, even in the apps you use every day. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? And how does it actually work? Welcome to TechCurious, where we simplify the future. Artificial intelligence, or AI, simply means a computer that can think and learn like a human. It's when machines can understand, reason, and make decisions on their own, just like we do when we solve problems or recognize faces. Instead of being told every single step, AI systems learn from data. The more information they get, the smarter they become. AI works by using something called algorithms, step-by-step instructions that help computers find patterns in data. One popular type of AI is called machine learning. It's like teaching a child. You show many examples until it starts recognizing things by itself. For example, to teach AI to recognize cats, you show it thousands of cat photos until it learns what features make a cat. Over time, it keeps improving, correcting its mistakes, and becoming more accurate. You already use AI every day, maybe without realizing it. When Netflix suggests a movie, that's AI. When Google Maps finds the fastest route, that's AI. When your phone camera blurs the background or translates speech, that's AI too. AI is also helping doctors detect diseases and even helping farmers grow crops more efficiently. It's everywhere, quietly working behind the scenes. So, artificial intelligence isn't magic, it's just machines learning from experience. And as AI continues to grow, it's shaping the future in amazing ways. If you want to keep exploring the world of AI and technology, don't forget to subscribe. Stay curious. Stay tech curious.